In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Amazon Prime subscription. Whether you want fast shipping, access to Prime Video, or both, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can get set up in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Amazon Prime. Select the official Amazon page for your country so pricing and benefits match your region. On the Prime landing page, you'll see membership options. Take a moment to compare the plans, usually monthly or annual, and sometimes discounted options like student plans were available. Review any trial details so you know when billing begins, then choose the plan that fits you and click it to continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter either your email address or your mobile number. Type the one you want associated with your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, use the same contact info you normally sign in with. Click Continue to proceed. Amazon will send a one-time security code to the email or phone you entered. Retrieve that code, enter it in the verification box, and submit. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute, check your spam or junk folder, or request a new code. Codes are time limited, so use the most recent one. Once you're verified, head to Prime Video and click any movie or show that interests you. On the title page, select Watch with Prime. This button confirms that the title is included with your membership, and it will prompt the subscription flow if it isn't active yet. When you see the prompt, click Start Prime Subscription to move forward. To confirm your identity, enter your Amazon password when asked. This protects your account from unauthorized purchases. After that, you'll be taken to the payment page. Enter your card details carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. Before you finish, review the plan price, renewal period, and any trial end date so there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, click Done. That's it. Your Prime subscription is now active, and you can return to the movie or show and start watching. You'll also have access to other Prime benefits tied to your region. If you ever need to change plans or cancel, you can do so from your Amazon account settings.